One warm and sunny afternoon, Steve, Laura, and Tom were at home, sitting in the kitchen, ready for a fun baking adventure. Their moms had told them it was the perfect day to bake something yummy, and they couldn't wait to get started. "I'm so excited to bake cookies," Steve said, grinning. "What kind of cookies should we make?" "How about chocolate chip?" Laura suggested. "They're my favorite." Tom, who loved to get creative, added, "We can make them extra special by adding sprinkles on top." With everyone on board, they set to work. First, they gathered all their ingredients: flour, sugar, butter, eggs, and of course, chocolate chips and colorful sprinkles. "Let's mix everything together," Steve said, grabbing the mixing bowl. "I love this part." Laura measured out the flour while Tom cracked the eggs into the bowl. They all took turns stirring the mixture and laughing as they worked together. "This is fun," Tom giggled, watching the dough come together. "I think we should bake cupcakes next time." After they finished mixing the dough, they rolled it into little balls and placed them on the baking tray. "Now, let's add the sprinkles," Laura said, shaking a handful of colorful sprinkles on top of each cookie. "Perfect! Now they'll taste as fun as they look," Steve said, as they put the tray in the oven. As the cookies baked, the sweet smell filled the kitchen. The three friends couldn't wait to taste them. "I think they're ready," Laura said excitedly, pulling the tray out of the oven. "Yum! They look amazing," Tom said, taking a bite of his first cookie. "They taste even better than they look." Steve, Laura, and Tom enjoyed the delicious cookies together, laughing and talking about all the fun they'd had while baking. It felt so good to spend time together, make something yummy, and share it with each other. "This was the best baking adventure ever," Steve said, smiling. "Yeah, I can't wait to bake again soon," Laura agreed. Tom grinned. "Next time, we'll try baking something even bigger, like a cake." Thanks for watching Steve, Laura, and Tom's baking adventure on Artzy Monkey channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun stories and exciting baking adventures.